हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल HT स्टडी। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 25 डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स नेम, यानी कि 25 पालतू जानवरों के नाम। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। दिस इज काऊ। काऊ मीन्स गाय। दिस इज डॉग। डॉग मीन्स कुत्ता। दिस इज गोट। गोट मीन्स बकरी। This is buffalo. Buffalo means भैंस. This is cat. Cat means बिल्ली. This is horse. Horse means घोड़ा. This is donkey. Donkey means गधा. This is sheep. Sheep means भेड़. This is rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. This is hen. Hen means मुर्गी. This is cock. Cock means मुर्गा. This is duck. Duck means बत्तख. This is turkey. Turkey means turkey पक्षी. This is pig. Pig means सुअर. This is ox. Ox means बैल. This is peacock. Peacock means मोर. This is bull. Bull means सांड. This is monkey. Monkey means बंदर. This is parrot. Parrot means तोता. This is goose. Goose means हंस. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share.